Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has criticized Congress party, particularly questioning whether it is supporting the Jammu and Kashmir National Conference's demand to reinstate Article 370 and Article 35A in Jammu and Kashmir. Speaking at the press briefing held at Chief Minister's Secretariat, he accused the Congress of being opportunistic and more concerned with gaining power than the state's welfare. The Chief Minister argued that the abrogation of Article 370 under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government was crucial for maintaining India's unity and curbing anti-national activities. He questioned whether the Congress alliance with Jammu and Kashmir National Conference for the upcoming elections indicates support for unrest in Jammu and Kashmir. Chief Minister Biren further questioned whether Congress and Rahul Gandhi endorsed the National Conference's ideology.
Jammu and Kashmir की द National Conference सुबह सुबह Congress के पुल लगा सरकार शंगनी है ना मुझे तो question करा हम गनी में तो कहीं ना करना Jammu and Kashmir दा हाल नहीं रंबा मायना इरान Article 370 की मखादुला तौर में इरान separatist movement, terrorist movement, Congress ना सब लोग बड़ा है question में Article 370 यानी 35A हज़लन के तो बनी ऐसी है कि Jammu and Kashmir की National Conference ना लोग वाले ने अदुमदु INC ने सब लोग बड़ा है कि question में Kashmir भी issue सी internationalize लोग का पाकिस्तान के वाले साले लोग के तो इंचल ना मैं मधु वो पाकिस्तान से कुछ लम्बे भी कौन रिफ्रा security सुनने थारंबा तौरंबा बिहारंबा की extremist में यार तो reinstate तौर का सरकार की तब सिंध का संघर्ष का अदुमबा इन नसीब ले लो जब Kashmir है ना इरान सरपा है ना international की फिल्म में मतलब कतुरी पर Jammu and Kashmir Conference की तो खाई तो कोई वाकलून Kashmir वो autonomy पिथोक की लेडी बमा की National Conference की वाकलून मधु कांग्रेस ना और राहुल गांधी ना सोगत्रा हाई बदो नसे कोई nation जिन्हें instability लाभों का ने कोई effect तो बनीना मधु भी question करो कांग्रेस के तो दुनिया में opportunist हुए मानवा कोई सरकार तो पायर का लोग हैं पावर पायर का लोग हैं लेवा के दिखंडी है वो मानवा सत्तर क्लबरा है वो चार चीज़ें बोली
On the other hand, replying to questions raised by media, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh stated that the visit of Chief of Army Staff to Manipur might be to assess ground situation in the state, given its strategic location along the border. He assured that the central government is taking issues in Manipur seriously with crucial discussions held in Delhi. The Chief Minister expressed optimism that positive decisions would emerge from these deliberations. On the suspension of Operation Sioux agreement, the Chief Minister highlighted that it was initially implemented to restore peace. However, he noted that some insurgent groups under the agreement have violated its terms. As such, Manipur Assembly has recommended the centre to take action against those who breached the ground rules, but the central government has yet to respond. In response to concerns about the deteriorating road conditions caused by recent floods, the Chief Minister stated that repairs would commence promptly after the rain subsides.
Manipur border area Madugi round situations direct SS Mali Manipur Sushi Parasakar Potuni Tomatum the solution Lana of the gay Madu Maran the warrior connection by the hierarchy of Selection Command, the three corps commanders, IJRs, very swaggy, Tambam Topa, Manipur, lady, very documents, including map in the peaking, that was peaking, Kamai Torgas, Sandy and the Lapia. Kanaki Maya positive when the real Matunga some decision positively Assembly the Supreme Mayama decision of suspension of Operation C, Panama Santi Lana Santi Lapaki Mota Labina Santi to guide Bagangu Sudagi expert of you have to see personally high division to Paris step ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ